Okay, let's start question number 5, which reads rationalize the denominator. Read and understand each word. You have to rationalize the denominator. Wherever the denominator is there as an irrational number, that has to be made as a rational number, and this process is known as rationalize the denominator. So every time you must ask yourself that what should be the smallest rationalizing factor which can convert each denominator as a rational number. For the first one, it is very simple. Root 7 is given as your irrational denominator. How can I convert it to the rational number? So multiply root 7 with itself. Root 7 into root 7 is 7, and the new number would be root 7 upon 7. Look at this final expression. Now the denominator has been converted to a rational number. Okay, so this is the smallest rationalizing factor which can make its denominator as a rational number. Now the second question, root 7 minus root 6. By this time you must have learned that this is an irrational number. So what is the rationalizing factor for all such expressions? A plus b, the rationalizing factor would be a minus b, and if it is a minus b, the rationalizing factor would be a plus b. So remember this, if plus is given, you take minus as its rationalizing factor, and if a minus b is given, take a plus b as its rationalizing factor. So look here, this is a, this is b. So what is the rationalizing factor for it? Root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6. Simplify. Numerator will be root 7 plus root 6. Denominator would become root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. As done in the previous questions, this denominator is a minus b, a plus b. So the denominator would be 7 minus 6, which is 1, and the numerator is root 7 plus root 6. So this is your number whose denominator is a rational number. This is your answer. Okay, now see the third part. As I have told you, if a plus b is given, then its rationalizing factor would be a minus b. That is root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2 is its rationalizing factor. Look at the denominator, a plus b, a minus b type of expression is there. So you can simplify it further as root 5 minus root 2, no change in the numerator. Denominator is 5 minus 2, and this is root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. So see the denominator now. Denominator has been converted to a rational number, and this process is called rationalize the denominator. Now the question number 4. What is the rationalizing factor? As I have told you, so rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing by root 7 plus 2, that is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. I have to multiply and divide the numerator as well as denominator by this factor. Simplify. Numerator is root 7 plus 2. Denominator is 7 minus 4, which is root 7 plus 2 upon 3. Again look at the denominator, it is a rational number, and this process is called rationalize the denominator. Okay.